Hi, this is DC Scrap and Rooster. Okay, this is gonna be real quick. I did a couple more kits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kits. Not many. The first kit I'm gonna show you here. I'm not gonna take them out of the package. I am gonna put pictures at the end. Okay, because they're so pretty when I put them together, and I don't feel like taking them apart. You guys know. You know how it is. Okay, so in here you have the doilies. You have the regular doilies, you have some orange, some blue, some green. You have a couple little flowers here, a butterfly, some, what do you call it, flower stems. I forgot what you call them, it's been such a long time. You got a brooch right there, you got ribbon, some more ribbon. This is what the back looks like. Okay, you have buttons here, a little pack of buttons. What else? Oh, and then you have a cotton fabric. Okay, and I believe this one is 20 by 19. Okay, there's some of my fabrics that I had laying around from how many years ago when I first started. That's how long I've had this fabric. Okay, so this one here this is number 1, and this is $18. Look how pretty that is. The butterfly. Pretty colors. Okay, that's the fabric that's down here. Okay, so that's number 1. And there's only 2 of these. So first come, first serve, ladies. Sorry. Okay, number 2 is my Valentine one. And it's this one here. And this one is $22. The first one was $18. This is number 2, and this one's $18. There's the brooch. There's a lot of red. Well, bits and pieces of red. There's white. There's remember the curly flowers? Oh my god. All over craft flowers, remember that? Okay, you got some bling trim here, some bling there, some beads. You got the doilies. There's about 10, 12 doilies. You got the, remember these? Oh my god, these are so pretty. Okay. You got some bling. You got a piece of bling there, and of course a beautiful brooch. Okay, this is the back, and there's the fabric. So each one has a piece of fabric. Again, this one I believe these first 3, maybe, yeah, the first 3, I think these are 20 by 19. Okay, but that's the fabric. Okay, so again, this is number 2. It is 22. Okay, you gotta throw some purple in there because I know there's some purple lovers out there. Okay. This one here, this is number 3, and this is for 22. Okay, so you have doilies again, you got flowers, you got the applique, you have some lace trim, you got some organza flowers, you have some little tiny appliques, you have some wallow craft flowers, you have blings, you have the stems. I forgot what you call these. It'll come to me. And you have some of these rococo, I don't know what you call them, but you have these trims, some more little ribbon flowers. Okay, so pretty. Oh, that might too close, I'm sorry. And there's, every package has a bling. Okay, so there's this one here. It's beautiful. I couldn't find anything purple, any brooches in purple, so I threw this one in to match the fabric, and that's the fabric with a little purple in there and some green. So everything in here matches this. They're great to make what do you call it, your journal kits or fabric journals, but you have enough stuff in here to play with. Again, that's number 3, and that's 22. Okay, then you have, got to throw the pink in there. This is the pink. This is number 4, and this one's 29. Okay, and there's some fabric trim in here. Fabric trim here also. That's the fabric right here. You have some lace, you have your doilies, some trims, some bling trim. There's your brooch. Okay, you have some little ribbon roses. You have this is wild orchid craft flower. Then you have some just little flowers that I have laying around, like this one here. This here, you have buttons. You have more little organza flowers, and there's in between, there's like little what do you call it, like little embellishments to go with the kit. Here's this beautiful little daisy in pink. Okay, here again some more of that rococo trim. Okay, And this beautiful flower right here. Again, I know I'm close. Way, way close. Okay, here you go. Maybe if I fix my zoom, right? Not too close. There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, there you go. And that's the back again. And there's your doily packs. Okay, a little applique heart. Some trim. I said trim. And more of these little shabby chic little flowers. Okay, so that's number 4. That was $29. And then the last one, of course, you know I have to throw in a white one in there, right? Okay, which of course is my favorite because this is what I deal with mostly. Okay, so I couldn't find the perfect white flower, so I do this beautiful pink flower in here. It's not Wild Orchid Craft, it's just a regular one of those flowers from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so you guys remember these flowers from when I bought that lot on Etsy? I was buying a local store and it was coming from China. It took forever. Okay, here's some beautiful trim. Okay, you know how pretty that is. You have the Paris there. You got some of my little flowers there. Another little flower there. Some bling, some trim, some ribbon. Okay, and here, back here, you have wedding pieces. Behind this, which you can't see, but it's all behind here, are bits and pieces, and I think they're about maybe, I don't know, about 5 inches long, 5-6 inches long, of 10 different laces that I had from way back when I first started selling the big Venice laces. Okay, so you have some butterflies and you got some more flowers here, and in between you have little embellishments too. This one here is number 5, and this is 32. And that's basically it for now, I think. Yes, so the first one I have 2. The second one, this one here, there's only 2. Let me go back. This one here, number 1 is $18. I only have 2 of these. Number 2, I'm looking behind me because I have them behind me. Number 2, I have 4. Okay, and that's $22. Okay. The purple one, I have 2, and this is $22. Okay. This number 3, number 4 is the pink one. That's $29, and the 4 I have 3, and the white I have 4. Okay, so first come, first serve, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Here's Frankie working. She's sorting. Okay, and Frankie, what are you doing?
I'm working hard.
You're working hard? What are you working for?
Separating things.
Oh, yeah? And what for?
I have to buy ink
Uh-huh.
for the good stuff.
Yeah.
And I want to be like entertainment planner.
Yes, and you want to be entertainment planner, so you need a lot of money for that, right?
Yeah, me as a co-host.
You as a co-host?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's why you're sorting all these little goodies, right?
Yeah.
And you help mommy sell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you need to get paid, right?
I have to pay ink with black and white with colors.
In black and white ink colors, yes, because she ran out because she likes to print out her, where is it?
Here.
Where's your paperwork?
There.
Where's your paperwork? The other
Under
one.
the drawer.
Oh, it's in the drawer. Okay, we're not going to take it out right now. What's behind you?
This stuff.
Let me see. Oh, this is her doing, go ahead, let me see. Okay, this is Frankie. She's using her colored pencils and her inks that we got her for Christmas. There it is. Let me see, can you show them that, what you're doing? Let me see. I'll grab this. Okay. Okay. See, that's what she spends her ink on. Turn the next page. And then she writes everything out. See, she writes it on paper first, and then she writes it on... Oh, she took it away from me. Okay, misorganized. OCD, just like her mom. Okay, that's Frankie doing her job and sorting. Say bye-bye, Frankie.
Bye-bye.